Hello, my name is Muhammad Haziq bin Mamad. We are a brigade of 5 members including myself, Alia, Ain and Shafi. In this video we will be elaborating on the Bourdon tube, but firstly let me explain the basic of its operation. The Bourdon pipe is a thin tube emanating from the socket fitting upwards and along the inside edge of the gauge housing. The basic operation of the Bourdon pipe is when a gauge is pressurized, the Bourdon creates the dial tip travel to enable pressure measurement. The principle is the higher the pressure requirement of the application, the stiffer the Bourdon tube needs to be, which means Bourdon wall thickness and diameter are key considerations for enabling the required tip travel to traverse the necessary movement and thus facilitate pressure measurement accuracy. Now that all its basic operation is explained, that is all from me. Thank you. And next.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurain Shahira binti Muhammad Sakri. So now I will continue the explanation about Bourdon tube. Basically, we know that each of equipment must have the advantages and disadvantages. So here I want to talk about the advantages of the Bourdon tube. Firstly, Bourdon tube is a simple construction which is easy to handle. Secondly, Bourdon tube cost is low other than any tube. Not only that, Bourdon tube also have a high accuracy. So it's more easy for us to know an accurate value. So that's all from me. My friend will continue for the next point. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alia Najwa binti Abdul Latif. So, before this, Ain Shahira has mentioned about the advantage of Bourdon tube. Actually, Bourdon tube also have the disadvantage. Now, I'm gonna explain about the disadvantage of Bourdon tube. The disadvantage. First, slow response to change in pressure. Second, Bourdon tube is sensitive to shocks and vibration. Usually, Bourdon tubes are calibrated to work with a particular medium. If we are using another medium, it can affect the reading. This must be accounted before we changing the medium. Third, Bourdon tube is not suitable for the low pressure application. Fourth, it is subjected to hysteresis, which is the results in the scale showing a slightly higher than the actual reading. The last one, Bourdon tube can be used for precision measurement. That's all from me. Another explanation about Bourdon tube will be explained by my friends. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Azhar. I want to talk about type of Bourdon tube. You can see have the 3 type of Bourdon tube. The firstly is the C Bourdon. The second type is spiral, and the last type of Bourdon tube is helical. Another index, I want to talk about application of the Bourdon tube. The firstly, the Bourdon tube is used in analog pressure meter. The second, it is used in many hydraulic system. And the last application of the Bourdon tube, it is used in foot pump to indicate pressure develop. That's all from me. Thank you.